we're performing the set process on this hardwood floors. This is a deep cleaning. And the main issue with these floors is the dog water. Essentially, it's a big dog and it gets the water, drinks water, and then gets all over the fur, and then there's water spots all over, from the dripping water. And that's very hard to get out. Mopping doesn't get it out. No matter how hard you mop, it won't get it out. But with this method, the unique set method, we're using the OrboSETT 2000. This will get it out, deep clean the floor, and polish it simultaneously. And that's one of the beautiful things about SETT, ULM, ultra low moisture, SETT soil extraction transfer technology. We previously diced, and when we're done, we're going to do a post dice. And DISE is dry insoluble soil extraction.